I'm going to be showing you how you can make use of a new variable called the Highscore. So let's get started by creating the project. Alright, so let's start off by creating two new variables in our new project that we just made. Let's name this top score. Now this will be the Highscore. Let's check off the cloud variable. Let's make another one called total score for all sprites. So right here on the top, you should see that when we made the top score, this could only support numbers. That's what we need. So, alright. So in order to do this, we need to make use of our score variable. So I'll be right back, so that way I can do this. Okay. Alright, I'm back. So I did make use of our score variable, and I made a simple clicker game. Not that good, but it's alright, you know. So what I basically did was I made this little script where the scratch cat will be doing the same, I mean not the same size, but going big and going small repeatedly. So yeah. And then I took a when this sprite clicked and just took a change total score by 1. Very simple, not that hard. See? I'm gonna just change this total score to a large readout so that way you know that this is just a score. And then the top score right here on the very top. Alright, that's pretty cool. Alright, so just for testing purposes, I'm going to take a set total score to 0 so that way we could make use of this. We'll also take a set top score to 0 too, just in case while we're testing. Alright, so let's make a new sprite called cloud data. Very simple. Alright, no costumes, just scripts. Alright, let's grab a when flag clicked. We're going to be setting total score by 0. Very simple. So now click, boom. Alright, we're going to grab a forever loop, grab an if, and a great block too. If top score is greater than total score. Oops, wait, wrong way. If total score is greater than top score, we will set the top score to total score. Sounds a little weird, but it works. Alright, I think we might be done here, so let's check it out. Alrighty, so now as you see, when we click, our score goes up and so does our top score, because this game has not been published, so this is our top score that we have for our game. So now as you see that, if we click the green flag again, our score is gone, but the top score is not, because this is a cloud variable, so this will always be saved. So there you go. Very simple and very not that difficult either. This video was short too. Alright, so if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I'm going to try to figure out some scratch ideas because I am not that good at thinking. Yeah. Alright, so I'll see y'all in another video. Yeah, peace.